My name is Jason Laurita. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with UVA Health. My specialty is hip and knee replacement. I do complex revisions, robotic surgeries, whatever's needed. But I also take care of general orthopedic concerns, any kind of fractures that come in. So I really pride myself on taking the time to hear not just about what's going on with your fracture or your arthritis, but also any other relevant factors that might be happening in your life, because that can help me do a better job. Professionally, I'm most passionate about hip and knee replacement, and specifically using the latest technology to do the best job that I can do. We now have access to amazing technology, including robotic technology, which allows me to put a hip or a knee replacement in with millimeter precision so that I can achieve my goal of giving you a hip or knee replacement that lasts the rest of your life. In my opinion, a patient should come to UVA Health for their care because we have everything that you could need kind of under one roof. So if there's a time where I think you need a referral to one of my colleagues or a procedure that I don't do, a lot of times I can just walk down the hall and knock on the door and organize that for you, in a really efficient and quick manner. And I think that's a really nice thing that you can't get everywhere.